episode of finance app review. So in this video I want to show you how to get OPAY ATM card. The OPAY ATM card is just like your normal ATM card for other bank like your Zenith Bank, First Bank and so the OPAY issue verve card currently now. So without further ado, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, please do not forget to leave a comment, share this video and watch to the end for a giveaway.
DoSuggest.
For you to be able to request for the OPAY card, simply open your OPAY app and on the home page of the OPAY app, you click on cards. Now you are given an option to request for one of these. You can request actually for both of them, but which I'm going to explain how you're going to get each of them. But you should request for the one you actually want to, and the purpose of you using it. So if you're a type that love to use to withdraw your money from ATM near you and then make use of your ATM cards, that is the physical card now, what you should request for is the OPAY physical card. But if you are the type that like making payments online on the web or web app and so on digitally, you should request for the OPAY visual card. Now I'm going to start with the explanation from the OPAY card. The two cards are verve card, both for the physical card and for the virtual card. So according to what OPAY said, they say it's free application and usage. That is, you get the OPAY verve debit card at no extra cost, unlike your bank that charges you 1,000 naira and above for an ATM card yearly and charge you for maintenance fee. But this OPAY verve debit card is free at no cost, and also you earn 15% annual interest for using the card. That's so sweet. So is this card validated? Is it legit? Is it valid? Yeah. So according to what OPAY said, for security purpose, it is being licensed by CBA and NDIC, insured by NDIC. So to get the OPAY physical card, you just click on get it now, and you'll be asked to fill your location. Now on this page you are going to fill the actual place where you live, that is the state, the local government, the full address, the nearest bus stop and landmark, the phone number to contact when they get you the ATM card, an additional phone number in case the first phone number does not go. So you can actually put a different phone number of yours on the first one and put your relative or guidance or anyone that live with you, that when they come they'll be able to contact them. So after you have done with that, filling this page, you click on the next button. By then this next button will be activated and you're going to request for the card. So that is it. For I don't want to request for the card now, but you follow this process and get the card. So let me go over to the digital OPAY digital card. So for the digital virtual card, it is instant. That is, once you apply for it, manually you are giving. Why is it instant? Because it's not needed to be delivered to your location. All you do is just to request for it now, and you have your card number, CVV, the number at the back of the ATM card, and every information. So safety is not physical handling, there's no risk. And now you can use for online payments such as paying on the web for your Jumia ordering, Jumia order, Konga, Netflix, Uber, Wallet Funding, and many others. I will also pay for your Bet Ninja and your betting app. So it's also being licensed by CBN and insured by NDC. So let's head over by getting this virtual card so that you just see it. The reason I know because of the physical card is because I have a lot of ATM cards, so I don't see any benefit in harboring physical ATM card. One, it's risky. Two, it's not advisable. You just get ATM card, and then but this one is free, so there's no, if you order it, they give it to you and you just still keep it. It's part of your property. So let's head over and get started by ordering for this OPAY virtual card. So after you might have done through the physical process and you feel that maybe you are unable to get the physical one, what you just do is get this virtual one now. So click on get it now. On the look at it now. On the card section, they have the physical and the virtual. So the second one is for the visual, and when you click on it, you're going to see get it now. So I click on get it now and it's loading. So they bring out all the information that concerns the ATM card, or that will be displayed on the ATM card. So my first name is there, my last name, date of birth, account balance, wallet account, and daily financial limit, and the type of account I have with OPay. So when I click on submit, it will manually generate an OPay virtual card. Yeah, it will generate an OPay virtual card. So since it is free, and I will not be charged until let's head over to getting it now because it's going to be instant. So after I confirm that this information stated there is true and it is my information, all I have to do is click on submit. So congratulations, you can see it done. Congratulations, your virtual card is ready to use. Your virtual card is ready to use. So I click on OK. This is my virtual card. So now you can manage the card, manage disputes in case you have issue with the card, or use card to make payment and you're overcharged. So to be able to set your PIN and limit, click on manage card. On this page, you're going to set your daily limit and manage your PIN, or even block the card, temporarily disable the card. So let me temporarily disable the card because I felt that when I was creating the ATM card, now my details were being shown. So let me just, before I disable the card, let me show the manage disputes. This is the place whereby you can be able to set check for disputes and the rest. So to block your virtual card or your OPay virtual card is just go on the manage card, click on block card. So blocking your card will prevent card payments, online subscription. Once you confirm that, you block. And you can also unblock the card by clicking on this off and on button, and the card will never be activated again. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, because in this channel I'm going to bring to your desk, to your front view, for your viewing pleasure, apps review, financial apps review, and tech app review, and productivity apps, anything that concerns apps, loan apps, digital finance, and much more, and online businesses also. So subscribe, leave a comment if you have any other question or video you want me to do next, and till I come my way on my next video. Bye for now. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, please do not forget to leave a comment, share this video, and watch to the end for a giveaway.
DoSuggest.